Hello and welcome back to the Rugged Rockhound. Today is just a short little trip. It's Juneteenth and I have a family reunion to get to later on, so can't be here too long. But we're up Kelly Canyon. We were told that there's this little spot where you can find some obsidian just in a road cut. So we're going to check out the road cut, and then we might go up a little further and check out some of the rocks around. We'll see what we want to do and what time we have. But for starters, right off the bat, we were looking here on the ground and Gary already found two pieces of rock that had sulfur coating it. So we've already got some nice sulfur on the rocks. Indication of hydrothermal waters. So pretty cool. Anyway, we'll keep looking and we'll go take a look over there, see if we can find some of the obsidian and whatever else might be lurking around here. And in case we find something interesting, you guys would like to check it out, here's the GPS of where we parked. Now keep in mind we've got private property both sides because we've got the ski lift here, so we can't go too far away from the road cut. But just a little further up over there, it's Forest Service, so maybe over in those hills something else would be cool. Now that we've just walked a little bit from the car, we're already seeing lots of little pieces of obsidian. You can see it all over here. And then we've got an interesting form here. Trying to see if this is volcanic or just limestone. Yeah, we do have some interesting rock here. I think it is volcanic. It might be just some strange air bubbles. This is something I've never seen before, so I don't know what's going on here. Here's some larger pieces. I'm not sure how big these get, but they're pretty cool. And yeah, some of these pockets, see, you got these little thin shards of glass that are part of the obsidian forming in these spaces. I really wonder what's going on. Definitely need to try and figure out what's going on here. Yeah, those teeny little shards that fill in these spaces. They look so cool. Look at that. So here's a great example of one. See how it's got all those obsidian pieces and then tons of little fibers, and they form in these either empty spots in it or I don't know, because I'm trying to see, is this a welded tuff here? I don't know, I'm trying to figure out what's going on here. Because this looks like maybe ash, and then you've got these pods with this obsidian and then these fibers of glass. Look at that. Glass fibers, so cool. And it looks like we've got some sulfur in places like here. Huh. I wonder if hot thermal waters moving through the unit afterward was somehow involved. I really don't know. This is really different. I like these long ones. And now we've come further to the left from the vehicle, and we're definitely getting more of it. Bigger pods or zones of it. Really neat. Now you can see some of the glass fibers on the rock. Yeah, look at those needles. This is where you can really see the needle structure of this glass. This volcanic glass. Wow. Yeah, definitely gonna have to figure out what's going on here. Like I said, these long ones are really kind of cool. Oh, this is really black right here. This is full of obsidian. Look at that. The needles are more black here. Yeah, look at the ones that are really black. And they're so fragile. Crazy. Over here we're definitely getting a lot more, and we're getting bigger pieces now of the obsidian. So there you go. Bigger pieces. That one just looks really cool. There you go. You can get these little pieces just full of the shards. Just look at that. Look at the needles. It's just so cool and so different. I've seen a lot of obsidian in southern Utah and around, but I've never seen any like this. Yeah, see? These are so cool and unusual. These are the kind of ones that I like. And look, they'll jab you. It is glass. And as we've gone further down here, some bigger pieces of obsidian, and yeah, look at that silver sheen on the outside. I think it's just some of the needles stuck to the outside of it. That is really cool. So I turned the phone light on and found a piece that let some light through. So there you go, kind of the Apache tier type obsidian. So that's cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed this short little video. Just wanted to check out this little deposit here on the side of the road. Just see what it was like. And it was pretty cool, so it's got some cool obsidian in it. Those cool needles. The formation is definitely unique. I've never seen anything quite like that. And some of, I imagine a lot of them are Apache tiers where you can shine light through them. So if you want some of this material, there's plenty of it right here on the side of the road, just across from the ski resort, and hope to see you next time. Until then, remember, there is treasure everywhere.